Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial, I will discuss about notification not working or not showing on iPhone lock screen after iOS 18 update. Guys, if you are facing this problem, so keep watching this video until the end. So guys, first method is simply restart your iPhone, tap on volume up button and volume down button and power button until you will see this screen. Simply slide here and now turn off your iPhone after few minutes or few time, turn back on, and by doing restart your iPhone, your problem will be solved. If this method not work, so simply open setting application and tap on notification. And here guys, if you are not receiving notification from a specific application, check if is enable or not. Make sure is enable and lock screen, tap on it and go back from here. So try to next solution. Guys, check if your do not disturb is turned on, so simply turn it off. Here you can see turn off, because when the do not disturb is turned on, your notification will not receive. And after that, open setting application and find out battery. Simply tap on it and make sure your low power mode is turned off. Here guys, you should turn off from here. Now go back. If this method not work, so simply turn on airplane mode for a few seconds, minimum 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, turn back off. After turn off this, I hope your problem will be solved. If this method not work, see next solution is tap on general. You can see appears on screen. Tap on background app refresh and make sure all application turn on from here. Here's the background app refresh. Must be select on Wi-Fi or cellular data not off or Wi-Fi. Here you can see if specific application not receiving on lock screen notification, simply turn off from here and turn back on again. So I simply close this window and specific application not receiving your notification on lock screen, simply delete or reinstall or update application from the app store. Here you can see appears on screen. And now guys, last solution is if this all the setting is not work, simply open setting application on your iPhone and now scroll down and tap on general. Now scroll down. Here you can see tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset network setting. Guys, any problem inside your network will be solved after reset network setting. I hope your problem will be solved after this setting. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.